Chronic illness is exploding in kids, and a new federal report just blew the lid off the crisis. The Make America Healthy Again Commission, created by the Trump administration and led by Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr., released a sweeping assessment on the rise of chronic disease in U.S. children. The report identifies 5 primary drivers behind the surge: poor diet, environmental toxins, lack of physical activity, chronic stress, and over-medicalization. The broader health stats are staggering. 1 in 5 kids over age 6 is obese. That's a 270% increase since the 1970s. 1 in 4 teens is pre-diabetic, double the rate from 20 years ago. Childhood cancer is up 40% since 1975. Autism now affects 1 in 31 children. Teen depression has nearly doubled since 2009. In 2023 alone, 3 million high schoolers seriously considered suicide. Food allergies in children have jumped 88% in the last 2 decades. Asthma impacts nearly 10% of kids and is linked to pollutants like ozone and PM 2.5. ADHD diagnoses is currently at 11.4%, or 7.1 million children, with screen time and early diet flagged as contributors. The report directly calls out industry giants. Food manufacturers like PepsiCo, Coca-Cola, Kraft Heinz, General Mills, and ADM, agrochemical players like Monsanto, now Bayer, and 3M, and even the pharmaceutical industry, raising concerns about the overuse of SSRIs and questioning parts of the current childhood vaccine schedule. Emerging threats like microplastics and plastic-based chemicals are also in the spotlight. A 2024 Environmental Health Perspective study found kids ingest or inhale around 553 microplastic particles per day. Chemicals like BPA and phthalates, found in most plastics, are showing up in over 90% of children's urine and are linked to obesity, diabetes, and hormone disruption. Flame retardants, commonly used in clothing and furniture, were detected in 75% of kids' blood samples. According to pediatrics, these chemicals are tied to a 15% higher risk of neurodevelopmental delays. But it's not all bad news. The report highlights growth opportunities in health-focused industries. Organic grocery chains like Whole Foods and Sprouts, environmental testing companies, AI-powered pediatric health tools, and telehealth platforms like Hazel Health, which saw a 30% jump in pediatric mental health visits last year. The USDA is also exploring a $50 million pilot to offer organic meals in 100 school districts by 2026. RFK Jr. is pushing hard for prevention over treatment. His plan includes a proposed $1 billion federal research fund focused on how environmental toxins impact kids. Companies producing ultra-processed foods, glyphosate-based pesticides, or additive-heavy medications may face rising regulatory risk, but those focused on wellness, diagnostics, and clean nutrition could see major upside. Follow and subscribe for more. Level Field's Elite Investing, Effortless AI.